Hello Robo Freaks! It's time for action today. Welcome to the third episode of DIY Robotics under What's Your Hobby? As planned according to the code structure, today we'll be building the basic structure common to some of our robots using the metal chassis. So let's move ahead to the making of it. Let us have a quick look at the components needed to make the basic structure on metal chassis. So the first thing which we need is the metal chassis. Then we need caster wheels. After that comes the nuts and bolts. We'll need some double tapes to fix these caster wheels and other things. Next comes wheels. After that we have the Arduino Uno board and the USB cable to connect it to the computer. Then we have the motor driver circuit as well. Next comes the 9-volt batteries which will power our DC motors. Then there is a screwdriver, 2 battery caps, and these are the 2 DC motors. That's all. Now let's head towards the making of the basic structure. Our first step is to fix these 2 DC motors to both the sides of the metal chassis on which the wheels will run. So let's start the process. As you can see, I have fixed the DC motor to the other side of the metal chassis as well. So now it's the time to stick the caster wheel to the metal chassis. So where we'll stick the caster wheel, we'll stick it here. Now it's time to fix the main wheels. So we'll fix the wheels to the motor here. Next, we shall pass these wires up to the front so that it can be Now we shall stick the Arduino Uno board to the metal chassis. For this we'll use double tapes again. The motor driver circuit shall also be stuck with the double tape. So now these wires have to be fitted into the motor driver circuit. For this we'll need the screwdriver. Now it's time to fix the batteries and the battery caps. Notice that these two battery caps are different. So one has an open end which will go into this motor driver circuit, and the other one which has a receiver like this will go to the Arduino Uno. Okay, so let's fix the batteries now. Now once you fix this here, so this light will indicate that the Arduino Uno has got power. But to save the battery charge, we are keeping this removed as of now. Let me introduce you to another type of wires which are called the jumper wires. So what is the function of jumper wires? So these wires will connect the driver circuit to the Arduino board, and these wires will also connect the sensors to the Arduino board. So let's start. So this is a male and female jumper wire. So you can have male jumper wire where you will have pins on both the sides, and you will also have female jumper wires where you will have holes on both the sides. But this one is male and female since it has pins and holes on both the sides. So now I'll take out the jumper wire. So we need to fix the female part to the driver circuit and attach it to this 10 written on the Arduino board. So let's So this completes the basic structure of our robocar. So in the next episode, the Bluetooth sensor will be fitted, and then this Arduino board will be configured with this USB cable by attaching it to the computer and be programmed, and accordingly this car will run as a Bluetooth control car. So you saw how we can build the basic structure of the robocar. In my next episode, I'll show you how to make a Bluetooth control car with this structure on metal chassis. We'll also do some coding as well. So don't miss the next episode. If you want to make such amazing robots at your home, then what are you waiting for? Log into the Sparklebox website and order their DIY Robotics Kit 1 and 2. Hurry up till stocks last. The link to the kits are given in the description box below. Show your love by liking this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get the latest update on upcoming episodes. Signing off for today, stay happy, stay curious, bye-bye.